In today's video, I will walk you through how to share Spotify song. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Navigate to the song you want to share. You can find the track in your library, a playlist, an album page, or search results. Make sure you select the exact song you want to share. Next, open the song's menu. On a computer, right-click the track title. If you're using a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click. You can also use Control-click on some keyboards. Another option is to click the three dots beside the song title. This opens the same menu. From the menu, select Share. This opens three options. The first option is Copy Link to Track. Select this to copy a standard link to the song to your clipboard. You can then paste the link into a chat app, email, text message, or social platform. When someone opens the link, they can access the song on Spotify through the app or web player. The second option is Copy Spotify URI. Select this to copy Spotify's internal link format. The URI is different from a regular web address and can be used for workflows inside Spotify or with certain professional tools. If you don't specifically need the URI, use the regular track link instead. The third option is Copy Embed code. Select this when you want to place the song on a website or blog. Spotify copies HTML code to your clipboard. Paste the code into your site editor where custom code can be added. The page will then display the Spotify track with its artwork and a play button. That's all you need to do. Find the song, open its menu using a right-click or the three dots, select Share, and choose the format you need. For most situations, choose Copy Link to Track. Use Copy Spotify URI for internal Spotify-related use, and choose Copy Embed code when adding the song to a website. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing!